Okay, so we can see that there's a sample matrix that's given to us in the beginning. And now for part A, they want us to represent the information in a 2x3 matrix. So 5 bags of soil, 4 troughs, and 2 pots by Tom. So this would be indicated as 5, 4, 2, 6, 3, 5. It's given by the information, and it's a 2x3 matrix. So 2x3 matrix. Okay. So find in terms of x and y, the matrix P equals to Mn. So N is given above, which is the cost, and M is the quantity. So now we're going to find P. Here we are. So P is going to be a long one. So P equals to M. Where is my 5, 6? Yeah, P equals to M times N. Okay, so this would give us, we're going to expand it now. So the first equation is going to be 542 times 36, 40, and 50. This would be 5 times 36 plus 4 times 40 plus 2. Yeah, let me use my, it will be here and here. Right now, so 5x plus 4 times 39 plus 2 times 65. And then the next one would be here in yellow. So it will be 6 times 36 plus 3 times 40 plus 68y. And last but not least, we have here. It's getting a bit messy. 6x plus 3. 9 plus 5y. Okay, so when we simplify all of these, right, we should get, I'm going to write the final answer here, 476, 336 plus 68y, 3x plus 286, 6x plus 7 plus 65. So this is the answer for P. Okay, so now question 1 says, for part C, what's the first element of matrix P? So for matrix P, we need to think about the first element, right? Like what are we multiplying? So multiplying this part, let me just erase these. Oops, sorry. Make it neater. Okay, so for the first element of matrix P, right, we are multiplying by these two. So if we look back at the information, right, we can see what we are multiplying is Tom's purchases from center A in total. So therefore, matrix P represents the cost of Tom's purchases from center A. Okay, so that's the answer for part C. Okay, moving on to part D, the total cost of Tom purchases would be the same in both garden centers. So very simply, we're just going to equate the equations of 476 and 5x plus 286 because that is what is bought by Tom. So we're going to do 476 plus 286 plus 5x. So we're going to simplify. So 5x is equals to 190 and therefore x is equals to 38. So therefore the value of x is just simply 38. Okay, so now we're going to do part E. Lim would save $3 by buying her purchases in garden B. So Lynn would save $3 if she buys her purchases in garden B. So we're going to write out a word equation first so that we will understand what's going on. So total cost in A minus $3 would be the total cost in B. So that is simply what the statement is trying to tell us. Okay, so now what we're going to do is going to feed the information inside. So 336 plus 68 y minus 3 is equals to, basically I'm just subbing in all the numbers that we have found above, plus 117 plus 65 y. So now we're going to simplify this. So we're going to simplify it to 3y equals to 6x minus 216. And therefore, x we have found is equals to 38. So we're going to sub in x equals to 38. Okay, so now y we know is 12 divided by 3 is equals to 4. And therefore, y is equals to 4.